You have done all the work. You put in the effort all year. You made sacrifices. And now all that is left is to perform in front of the crowd, your teammates, your coach, and most importantly, to prove yourself that you can do this. The problem is, this is way too much pressure. And in the past, you didn't know how to handle it and you underperformed. So this is the new strategy. You don't talk about the race the day before, and instead, you focus on eating well, socializing, and resting. You do breathing exercises to calm down and fall asleep. Breathe in, breathe out. When the alarm goes off, you know it is go time. You do your normal routine. Breakfast, putting everything that you will need in your swimming bag. And you get to the swimming pool in time. You have your routine planned down to the minute. You start moving 1.5 hours before your main event. You do dynamic stretches a little bit. You focus on your movements right now, not on the race just yet. You get in the warm-up pool and you do the same warm-up you always do for that event. Now, you think about the race and how it will feel going that fast. This repetition of events gives you confidence and it prepares your body subconsciously. There is nothing out of the ordinary. You are just doing your job. Of course you feel nervous, but that is not a bad thing. In fact, being nervous could be a good thing, and it all depends on how you think about it. Nerves signal the body that something important is about to happen, and it helps you focus on the task. But if you worry about the nerves and think they can affect you negatively, they will distract you and may harm your performance. So, use those nerves to swim faster. So now that you're behind the blocks, watching the heat before you, you know you have everything under control. Your legs might be shaking, but your mind is solid. You know this will hurt physically, but that's it. The outcome will not affect you mentally. You will give it your all plus a little more. Whether you win or lose, it will be a learning opportunity. The opinions of others don't matter, not even yours. You are here to do your job. Keep in mind your motivation. You will give it your best effort plus a little more. You go over your race strategy one last time. The official says, "Take your marks," and you're done thinking. Your body will take care of the rest.